Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at some curbside deals this week over at Walgreens, taking place right up until the 12th of August. So you're going to hit that blue button on the left, order this stuff through a cell phone or desktop computer or a tablet, drive to the store and pick it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. If you are more of a shopper that likes to shop in store, definitely check out the video I made yesterday to let you know a little something as well. Anything to do with register rewards, those little printouts that are coupons, you got to do those in store. You can't do them for curbside. So I'll link this video at the very end. Now, the much anticipated cereal deal. IBOTTA must have a really great sense of humor because they went and stripped all of the IBOTTA rebates yesterday evening. So the $1 for the frosted mini wheats, they now have like some weird maple or blueberry flavored and just weird stuff. So I'm definitely going to have to go in the store and scan because we have this register reward offer that when you buy 5 or more boxes, you're going to get $3 back. Let's see if IBOTTA seems to kick us something back. This is valid right up until September the 3rd. We'll be able to make a deal with this, but some weird stuff going on. I thought with the buy one, get one free, we would have a deal, but it's kind of gone sideways, guys. So just to note that. And just my luck, I was able to finally track down the Papermate 99-cent pens. They do exist. However, this store only had 10, so I couldn't get like the 21 or whatever to get the $5 register reward back, but I did get a couple at 99 cents from $3.79 to 99 cents for Papermate. What a great deal. So if you are a teacher buying back to school stuff, definitely stock up. One thing I did track down was more of this clearance Excedrin for $1.29. I know that we have a $1.50 digital coupon. It would not attach for whatever goofy reason, but buying 2 of these on clearance is $2.58. There's some sort of $5 store coupon when you buy 2 like allergy or pain relievers. So it made it free plus a $2.42 moneymaker. Remember, if you're going to find like say 4 of them, break it up into 2 transactions because the register rewards, even store ones, will only print out once per transaction. And this one is obviously an in-store deal. You could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. That would make my Monday. I would be so grateful. It really helps my channel out and helps me out if you could take a quick second and like this video. Thanks so much, guys. Okay, so let's dive right into this. This is what we're looking at for the majority of these deals of spend $30 on P&G products, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. So this is really fantastic, and we have 1 digital booster that will in fact stack with this to make some very hot deals. And because the word spend is in there for the balance, you have to use your debit card. Okay, so let's start breezing through these. Deal number 1, you need your friend loaded, which is this booster of $6 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25. You might have a 7 back when you spend $25, depending what your account received. For this basket, we're going to throw in one of the Mr. Clean Freaks for $5.99, one of the Dawns for $2.99, all P&G products. And we have a $2 digital for Mr. Clean, and this is a really fabulous product if you've ever tried it. I really enjoy it. And then we have a 50 center for the Dawn, and who doesn't love Dawn? We're also going to grab 2 of the Downy Light scent boosters. They're 2 for $20, so $20 there. And then 2 of the Floss Picks for $2. Okay, so we're going to load the following. That includes a $5 off for the Downy beads, and then there's another one for the beads as well, this $3 off, so make sure you have both of those. Alternatively, there's a $3 for the Tide Pod Light, in case you want that. It would work. And then this $3 coupon will reduce down to $2 for those floss picks that are $1 each. So looking at the overall basket, here's our gorgeous chorus line of digital coupons melting off. So a little bit of something for us. The overall basket was $30.98 with P&G spend 30, get back 10. We've achieved that. Curbside pickup is free. $12.50 in digitals melting off. With your debit card, spend $20.34 and you're getting back $16.30 in Walgreens cash. This is a steal of a deal. Okay, so deal number 2. We need our best friend loaded again, which is 6 back when you spend 25. Word to the wise, if you used this yesterday, you can only use this booster of a one-time use, just to note that. We're going to grab 4 of the Tide Simplies. They're 4 for $9. 2 of those Downy scent boosters for $20, and then 2 of the floss picks for $1. Load the following digitals that include this 3 off of 2. What a great coupon that is. It's going to reduce down to $2. We have a $5 for the Downy beads. If you know, these scent beads are really nice. And then we also have another $3 for the Downy scent beads as well. Okay, so looking at the overall basket, guys, it's $31. Curbside pickup is free. $10 in digitals melting off. You'll pay $22.86 with your debit card and then get back $16.31 in Walgreens cash. Okay, so just looking at some deals in a different way, and I'm still in these P&G deals because they are so fantastic. If you have your booster, make sure you have it loaded. And we're going to grab one of the Tide Pod Lights for $10 and then 2 of the scent beads for $20. And then we're going to load the following digitals that include the $3 off, the $5 off, and another $3 for the Tide Pods. So looking at this overall basket, that's $30 on the nose, free curbside pickup, $1.57 in tax, $11 in digitals melting off. With your debit card, pay $20.57, and you're getting back $6.30. I mean, I think this is a fabulous, fabulous deal any way you look at it. Okay, now we're at deal number 4. You need your best friend loaded, which is the 6-pack when you spend $25. I know the majority of us got a booster like that. For this basket, we're going to be grabbing 2 of those floss pickers and then 1 fancy Olay skin moisturizer for $29.99. It has to be the sensitive skin, and I know that there's like 3 or 4 in that line for sensitive skin. I know a lot of you really love beautiful lotions. We have this $12 off. It's an only for you, so hopefully you have the same one as I. It doesn't expire till September, so we'll be able to figure something out. And then we're going to also load our best friend that will reduce down to $2. So looking at the overall basket, guys, it is $31.99. Free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, $14 in coupons melting off. With your debit card, pay $19.91 and get back $16.31. Not factoring in the tax, this is a very, very good deal for a very inexpensive skin cream. Okay, guys, the next couple of deals we're going to look at, one basket is augmented after the other, but they're kind of similar. So if you need a little bit of inspiration, this is for you. We're going to load our best friend, which is 6-pack when you spend $25. We're going to grab one of these really cute Braun trimmers for the beards for all the male couponers for $24.99. And Braun is actually a P&G product. We have a 7 off digital coupon. Make sure you have that loaded. I mean, it's just a fabulous coupon. And then we're going to grab 2 of the floss picks for $2 and then a $3.99 floss picks. Now, some of us got this coupon, which is a $3.50 off of 1 of the floss picks. So for the larger bag, obviously. And then the 3 off 2 that's going to reduce down for the smaller bags of the floss picks. How many more times can I say floss picks? So the overall basket is $30.98, free curbside pickup, $12.50 in digitals melting off. With your debit card, pay $20.34 and get back $16 in Walgreens cash for a really nice shaver and some floss picks. This would make a tremendous gift for any special guy out there, or if you're a male couponer and you just want to spoil yourself. I think this is a very smart basket. Great, great, great deal. The last one we're going to look at is if you cannot track down those floss pickers, we're just going to look at a different deal. Have your best friend loaded, which is this booster. Okay, so in this basket, we have that Braun trimmer for $24.99 and then one of the Mr. Clean Freaks for $5.99. Load the following if you have this guy, which is a $7 off. And then for the Mr. Clean Freak, remember that $2 digital, load that as well. So that is $9 in digital coupons, a little something called Not Too Shabby. Looking at your overall basket is $30.98, free curbside pickup, $9 melting off. With your debit card, pay $23.84 and get back $16 in Walgreens cash. I call this a steal of a deal. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.